Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to create folders on home screen on this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to just take one app, then drag it and drop on the other one, and the folder will be created automatically, just like this. Let me show you one more time. You can do this like this. You can also drag them from this folder, and the folder will be erased, or I don't know, no folder anymore. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.